Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Carrot souffle. It's a delightful dish that's both sweet and savory, and it's perfect for any occasion. So let's get right into it. To make this delicious carrot souffle, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups of cooked carrots, about 4 to 5 large carrots, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of milk, powdered sugar for dusting, optional. Now let's dive into the steps to create this delectable dish. Step 1. Cook the carrots. Start by peeling and slicing your carrots into rounds. Boil them until they're fork tender. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're done, drain them and let them cool slightly. Step 2. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, while we prepare the rest of the souffle. Step 3. Blend the carrots. In a food processor, add the cooked carrots and blend until smooth. You can also mash them by hand if you prefer a slightly chunkier texture. Step 4. Combine wet ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine the blended carrots, sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix them until well combined. Step 5. Add dry ingredients. Now add the flour, baking powder, and salt to the mixture. Mix until all the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. Step 6. Add milk. Gradually pour in the milk and continue mixing until you have a smooth, creamy batter. Step 7. Bake. Transfer your souffle mixture to a greased baking dish. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until it's set and the top is golden brown. Step 8. Serve. Once your carrot souffle is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. You can dust it with powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. Then it's ready to be served. And there you have it, a delightful carrot souffle that's perfect for any meal, whether it's a family dinner or a special occasion. The combination of the sweetness from the carrots and the savoriness of the dish is sure to please everyone's taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.